Understanding debit card purchases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that touches on both finance and daily life: debit card purchases. Whether you're shopping online, dining out, or simply buying groceries, knowing how debit cards work is essential. So, let's explore together and demystify everything about using a debit card. Stay tuned. A debit card is a plastic payment card that deducts money directly from your checking account to pay for purchases, instead of borrowing money from a bank like a credit card does. It's like an electronic extension of your wallet's cash. When you use a debit card, the amount you spend is immediately taken out of your account, ensuring you can only spend what you have. Understanding the process behind a debit card purchase is crucial. When you pay with a debit card, you may be asked to choose between debit or credit. Choosing debit requires a PIN, personal identification number, adding an extra layer of security. On the other hand, selecting credit means you'll sign for the purchase. Despite the choice, the money still comes directly from your account. It's a fast, secure, and convenient way to make transactions without carrying cash. Benefits include direct access to your money without the need for physical cash, control over spending, as you can only spend what's available in your account, widely accepted at retailers and online, making it a versatile payment method. Drawbacks might be less protection against fraud compared to credit cards, overdraft fees if your account balance goes negative, the potential for less reward programs compared to credit cards. Understanding these can help you make informed decisions when using your debit card. To ensure the security of your transactions, always keep your PIN private. Monitor your account regularly for any unauthorized transactions. Use secure and reputable websites when shopping online. Be cautious of where and how you use your debit card, especially in unfamiliar places. We hope this video shed some light on the ins and outs of debit card purchases. Remember, a debit card is a powerful tool in managing your finances, but it comes with the responsibility of keeping it secure and using it wisely. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and lessons. See you in the next video.